Want to grow fresh veggies and keep happy fish at the same time? In this video, I'll guide you through 5 simple steps to set up a successful aquaponics system. Let's dive in. Step 1 is designing your system. There are 3 main types: media beds, deep water culture, and nutrient film technique. Choose the one that suits your space and goals. Balance the fish tank size with the grow beds and plan an efficient water flow layout. Step 2 is picking the right fish and plants. Choose fish that thrive in your climate, like tilapia or catfish. Then select plants that match your water and light conditions. Leafy greens, herbs, and small fruiting plants like tomatoes are excellent options. Step 3 is cycling the system. Establish beneficial bacteria that convert fish waste into nutrients for your plants. Start by adding an ammonia source. Keep an eye on pH, ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate levels. Step 4 is maintaining water quality. Regularly check your pH, ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate levels. Keep the pH between 6.8 and 7.0. Ensure there's plenty of oxygen in the water with air pumps or diffusers. The final step is to monitor and adjust. Keep a routine for feeding your fish, pruning your plants, and cleaning the system components. Look out for any signs of fish stress or nutrient deficiencies in your plants. By following these 5 simple steps, you'll have a thriving aquaponics system that gives you fresh veggies and healthy fish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions or tips of your own. Happy growing. Subscribe for more tips on sustainable gardening.